Your business action plan, that is the next step in the business planning process. So once you've determined your closing goals, presentations, and the connections and prospects needed to reach your goal, it's time to create an action plan that works for you. So it may consist of some of the following activities. You make X contacts daily. You send so many personal notes on a weekly basis. You add 3-5 people to your database weekly or monthly. If you're going to work for sale by owners or expires, you're going to set a goal for how many you need to contact weekly. Effective open houses. You may say, I'm going to hold 5 open houses a month. Another action plan specific can be how much mail or email are you going to send to your past clients, or specifically, what are you doing to stay in touch with your database and when? Mail or email to your designated farm if you're going to farm. Get specific about this. This is all part of the action plan, the activities, the income producing activities you need to do to reach your closing goals. It may include door knocking or door dropping so many houses monthly, taking so many past clients to lunch. If you're going to be networking, there's networking groups. What is that? How often is that? And then one of my favorite actions, just a very simple action, is to hand out 5 to 10 business cards 5 days a week and actively ask for business and ask permission to add them to your database. You always need to be growing your database. So throughout the Real Estate Sales Builder course, we'll be sharing a variety of strategies and activities for you to generate leads and to convert them so that you have closings. So you may find you'll be refining and making adjustments to this daily, weekly, monthly success action plan. So go along the training with us here and just be open to learning all of the different activities if you're new to the business, to define and find out which ones you're good at, and we'll remind you of that along the way. So the final step after having this success action plan is to track your results, pendings, and closings. You're not able to improve what you do not measure. With that in mind, we've provided you with several tracking tools in the downloads area, including a daily work plan, a weekly performance scorecard, and one of the worksheets in the real estate business plan is going to let you track your listings, your pendings, your closings, and your commissions. Okay, so that is the overview of the business plan. Join me in the next lesson where I am going to walk you through a complete demonstration on how to customize the real estate business plan for you.